This is pork rib winter melon soup, all in the pressure cooker. This is the defrost and wash cycle, I call it. So these are frozen ribs. I've added some water. We're going to cook these on the meat setting on high for about 15 minutes. This is the winter melon. I'm going to quickly wash it and cut it up. Melon is chopped up into bite-sized chunks, and I also prepped many slices of ginger, 3 stalks of green onion, just the whites, and a couple cloves of garlic. Okay, it's done. We're gonna take the ribs out, strain them, wash them, and cut them. To the cut ribs, I've added the ginger, garlic, and scallions from before. Also for shits and giggles, I threw in some onion. Filled it back up with water, and then I'm going to cook on the soup setting for 45 minutes. This has been chilling out here for quite a while, and it's ready to go. For aesthetics, I'm going to pick out all the onions and green onions. And going in with a ladle to remove some of this fat. That's looking a lot better. There's a lot less fat now. I'm going to put this on saute. Winter melon. Added in the winter melon into the red stock, and just gonna let this cook. This is basically done. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes, and it actually looks basically good to me. I don't know,